my channel. This is the day I'm gonna be doing some more trash to treasure videos. These are my favorite ones, and this one is not gonna be a Christmas video. Are you guys sick of Christmas videos? Are you guys like just warming up to Christmas videos? I don't know, but I'm about cashed out on my Christmas videos. But you guys, I still want to do trash to treasure videos, and I want things I can keep up all year long. So this is gonna be a fun little trash to treasure farmhouse DIY video. So before I do all of that, Jennifer from Legacy Home Decor, she is the store owner of this cute little shop in Texas. I'm not from Texas. If you're not from Texas, you don't get to go to the cute little shop. So lucky for us, she has a wonderful website online, a Facebook page. I will leave all of her links and information in the description box. But you guys, if you are into the farmhouse like decor, oh my gosh, you will be blown away by her website. She sent me over some stuff. Thank you, Jennifer, for sending all this stuff to me. And everything smells amazing. So I'm gonna show, the first thing is this wreath right here. I don't know the name of it, but I'm gonna show everything like on the side right here of what it is called. It's so soft, it's so pretty. I love this, and I never have enough wreath in my house anyways. I'm gonna leave this up year long. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be, but it smells so good. Super cute. It's so pretty, it's so soft. It's very good quality, and like it doesn't fall apart. Like I really like this a lot. The next thing is, it's kind of like a simple thing, but I don't have any of these, and I always see people decorate with books. So you get a set of books like this. I'm really excited to decorate with these. I've never decorated with books before. So how cute are these? So some of my fun little trash to treasure things I'm doing, I'm gonna be decorating with all of this stuff. I don't know, I'm really excited about these books. This is what is in my box. It's called Sweet Grace Scented Sachet. Don't mind me, but this smells so good, and I'm not kidding you. I opened this box and my whole house seriously smells like this right now. It's awesome. So I'm gonna put this somewhere so my house always smells like fresh and good. She sells candles. So this is a super cute little thing. This smells amazing. I'm not sure. Okay, so this is cool. I'm not sure what the smell is. It smells like a nice, sweet, light smell. But it says light a candle, 3 meals provided to feed a child every time you buy one of these candles. So buy this jar and feed a child for a day. So that is so cool. Okay, yeah, that's definitely really cool. So, you know, if you buy a candle, it goes to a really good cause right here. That's very cool. The next thing was this wooden box like this. This is so cool, and I have no idea how I'm gonna decorate this, but it's so neat. And this is seriously one of my like favorite packages ever. Like Hobby Lobby who. The next thing is this sign right here. It's home, and it is a nice big size. I love this one too. Look how cute this is. And I'm definitely, after the Christmas season, this is going right on my hutch behind me. The very last thing is this. I want to say it's lamb's ear. I'm not like the best decor. Like I said, I'm going to leave everything right here. Well, better thing is that it's to check it out. So definitely check her website out online. I love it. I was on there for like 2 hours, I think, just trying to figure out what I wanted, because there was just, I could have bought everything on there. Again, thank you, Jennifer, for sending this stuff out, and let's begin with our trash to treasures. For my first trash to treasure, I'm just going to be making over these 3 houses. These were $3.09 for all 3. I picked these up at Goodwill. Someone said they were from the Magnolia Home, or the Hearth and Hand from, oh my gosh, I don't even know what those people are called. The fixer-upper people. Oh my gosh, give me a break. But anyways, I'm just going to be taking some painter's tape and just painting along the bottom of these. I am using white in so much of this video, so you guys are going to be seeing me use a ton of this Waverly chalk paint in white, and I'm just going to be painting the bottoms. These are kind of in a little bit more rough shape than I kind of hoped for. I kind of wanted to paint all of it, but just the bottom, so I'm just taking my Waverly white chalk paint in white, like I said, and just painting the bottoms white. And I did do 2 coats of this white. Lives outside of status quo. The next thing is just this little chair. I picked this up at Goodwill for $1.09. This has to be one of my favorite little thrift store purchases I've ever made. I think it is so stinking cute, and I thought it'd be perfect for a candle holder. It looks like it was made. It has LL initials 1984 at the bottom, and I just wanted to show that before I painted over it. And like I said, I'm just using the Waverly White chalk paint. I did about 2 to 3 coats of this. Getting in between these small little cracks was kind of a pain, but eventually I knew it was going to look so cute. And yeah, I don't know, white was like my theme of this video, and I'm just taking some sandpaper and just distressing it a little bit along the edges. And this was super easy, and it took me like 5 days to do, I swear. But I love the way it turns out, and I did use it as a candle holder, and I love this. It's so cute. This next piece is a $2 garage sale find. If you guys haven't watched any of my thrift store haul videos, I would definitely recommend it. There is one video I have a nice little Goodwill story to tell you. But anyways, I tried picking up a table like this very similar at Goodwill, and someone snatched it before I could even grab it. My hands were super full, and I tried picking it up, setting it down to go get a cart. Somebody took it from me. That is the moral of the story, but it was funnier when I told it the first time. But I ended up finding this table for $2 like a week later, and it was much better shape and much prettier. So we sanded it down. Actually, my husband did. I'd like to say we, but I didn't. This is what it looked like underneath, and oh my goodness, I was a little disappointed because I did want to stain it, but this is just what was coming out. I don't know what was going on, but took my white Waverly chalk paint again, and I just painted the entire thing except the bottom underneath. That is one spot I did not paint. But I liked the way that the blue was kind of showing through just a little bit along the legs once I distressed it with a little bit of sandpaper. And yeah, I know this isn't like the sandpaper you'd normally use. It's for like a hand sander, but well, this is all we have. And yes, I started making a huge giant mess in my dining room. It was already messy. I've been crafting in here lately, and it's just been a complete mess. You're going to see some fingers just diving in this mess. Presley always has to just kind of peek her little hands out. Yeah, she stomped through this, made a mess. I ended up going out on the porch after this because I needed to sand a little bit more. But this is what it looks like when it's all done. I love that it had dark blue underneath. I think this turned out so pretty. I love this. This next thing is just a window. It's actually a picture frame that was broke, that didn't even have all its pieces. I picked this up for $2.09 at Goodwill. Yet again, using the good old Waverly White chalk paint. I guess I was not being adventurous in paint for this video, but I really just wanted all these white fun things. Like I said, Home Legacy sent me all those beautiful pieces, and I really just wanted to make up some beautiful decor with Trash to Treasure videos to go alongside all of that, and that's what I did, and that's why I kind of did this video. And I am really excited to have some new pieces in the house for when Christmas is over, because I always feel like when Christmas is over, you don't know what to do with your house and it looks empty and bare, and you forget where you put things, or like, what did I have on this shelf? What did I have here? But this is what it looks like when it's all done. I just distressed it around the edges a tiny bit and added that cute little cypress wreath. But you guys, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. And let me know what your favorite thing I painted white was for this video. Also, make sure to check out Home Legacy Decor. I will leave the link to the online shop in the description box below, along with their new YouTube channel, so make sure you check that out as well. But that's it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!